Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Now let's look at the social and the adaptive milestones. So we begin with a 2-month-old. So in 2-month-old, what we first encounter is a social smile. So the baby, they provide a social smile. Then at 3 months is when it recognizes the mother. So recognizing the mother. Then when we move on to the 6 months. 6 months is where the stranger anxiety develops. Now at 9 months, the child is able to wave bye-bye. So the child is able to wave bye. Now at 1 year, what is a social and adaptive milestone? This is very important. So at 1 year, the child is able to come when called. So the child is able to come when called and is able to play a ball game. So is able to play a ball game. Now when you look at the 15 months, that is 1 year 3 months. In 15 months, the child they give jargon. At 18 months, it copies the parent in the task. So it copies the parent. And this is in the task. Now we move on to the year 2. So in terms of the 2 years of age, the child, they ask for the food, drink, and as well as goes to the toilet. So ask for the food, then they also ask for the drink and toilet. Now moving on to the year 3. In year 3, they share toys. So sharing toys takes place in the year 3 and the child is able to know the full name. So the full name is by age 3 as well as the gender. Now moving on to age 4 is where it plays cooperatively in a group. So it plays in a group, is able to play cooperatively in the group and goes on to the toilet alone. So at 4 years of age, toilet alone. Next is we move on to the age 5. So in terms of the age 5 is where it helps the household task and can dress and undress on its own. So household task. So the child actually helps with the household tasks and is able to dress and undress on its own. So they are able to dress as well as the undressing on its own.